Question number 6. Given that triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles, extended AB intersect BC at E, extended AD intersect BC at E. Required to prove triangle ABD congruence with ACD. 2 number, triangle ABE congruence with ACE. Third, AE bisect angle A as well as angle D. Fourth, AE perpendicular to BC. There are 4 proofs we have to done. Proof: since ABC triangle ABC isosceles, this AB equals to AC, then angle ABC, angle this ABC equals to ACB. Again from isosceles triangle DBC angle DBC equals to angle DCB. If we subtract from 1 to 2, we get angle ABC minus angle DBC equals to angle ACB minus angle DCB. ABC minus DBC we get ABD, and ACB minus DCB we get ACD. Now from triangle ABD, now we consider triangle ABD and ACD. We get AB equals to AC, it is given, and ABD equals to ACD and BD equals to DC, it also given. Hence triangle ABD congruence with ACD due to side criteria, and from this congruence we get angle BAE equals to angle CAE, congruence part of a common part of congruence triangle, and angle ADB equals to angle ADC, angle ADB equals to angle ADC, this angle is this. Again 180 minus ADB, we can write 180 degree minus ADB equals to 180 degree minus ADC. 180 degree minus ADB we get BDE, and 180 degree minus ADC we get EDC. Hence BDE equals to EDC. Now from ABE and ACE we get AB equals to AC and ABE equals to ACE, since ABC is isosceles, and BAE equals to CAE. Here we already proved this. Hence ABE triangle ABE congruence with triangle ACE due to ASA criteria. Hence second proof. Since since BAE equals to CAE, BAE equals to CAE, that means AE is the bisector of the angle A, and BDE equals to EDC, hence we can say DE is the bisector of the angle D. Hence AE is the bisector of angle A and angle D. Hence proof 3, number 3. Since triangle ABE congruent with ACE, BEA equals to CEA, common part of the congruent triangle. This angle equals to this angle. Since angle BEA since angle BEA and CAE, BEA and CEA both lying on the same line and they are adjacent. Hence we can say the angle BEA plus CEA equals to 180 degree. Since both are same, we can write 2BEA equals to 180 degree. Hence BEA equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90 degree. That is AE perpendicular to BC. Hence fourth is proved.